Hi guys, welcome to the Architects Workshop. I'm Lola Afto. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to work on dormer roofs. Okay, so we already did that other video, how to create intersecting roofs. If you haven't watched it, well, I've kept a link in the description so that you can check it out, right? And so just check it out to know how to create intersecting roofs. So basically creating an intersecting roof and I think in that video we even added in some gable ends for our roof, and oh my god, and yeah, it really came out like kind of nice and it was really cool. So check it out if that's something you're interested in, right? But in this video I want to show you guys, like, what if we wanted to create, like, obviously what if we wanted to create something like dormer roofs, just like up here, and we didn't have any extension of the main building, but we just wanted to put like a cool like dormer over the building? How would we do something like that? So yeah, that's what today's video is about. So first of all, we're going to delete this ugly roof that has no eave extensions or anything. Don't judge me. Yeah, we're going to delete it. So delete. Wow. Oh, it's not going. Why won't you go away? Delete. Does anyone else fight with their keyboard? You're like, I'm the boss, and it's like, no, you're not the boss of me. Yeah, that's my relationship with my keyboard. It's violence, but what can I do? I have to work hard till I can afford a new one. Yeah, my shortcuts are gone now, so I'm just, doing Revit like a barbarian. So yeah, forgive me for that. So let's go on. We're going to create another roof again. We're gonna say yes. So let's pick walls and then overhang. 600. Mine is set to millimeters, right? Okay, and then we can just click tab. And then yeah, my tools are fighting me tonight, but I shall win. I shall overcome. Shit. So we're going to remove, sorry, I keep clicking shift because I'm learning Blender, and yeah, shift and control mean something totally different over there. Yeah, it's very confusing. So we're going to highlight all of them, attach top to base, and pick our roof. Woo! Gable roof. Woo hoo hoo. Yeah, that's it. So now we're going to include our dormer. How do we do that? First of all, we go to the top, right? Or let's go to our elevation view first, right? So we want our dormer to start from somewhere here, so we have to put a level there. So we just go to our architecture tab, and then we go to our level, and we just get like bam, put it in there. Yeah, that's what we want our dormer level or dormer roof to sit on. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go back here, and then we're going to put a wall, right? Let's just take a square because I'm lazy, and then you're just going to draw it out like this. Yeah, maybe let's just sit on top of the wall, under, right? That's okay. Ignore all the warnings because we're rebels. You don't need them. Maybe you should select select all of this, and then let's bring the level up to level 3. And okay, oh no, unconnected for the top, apply. Then base constraint level 3, apply. Right? Good. So maybe we reduce it to about 3,000. Yeah, my auxiliary keyboard. Let's try 1,500. Apply. All right, good. Right, so let's delete this one, and now let's try making our roof. So we're just going to go back to roof, right, and we're going to keep it maybe somewhere around level 3, and then we're going to pick this, right. Our overhang is still 300, right, and then we're just going to select all of that, and then we're going to pick a line and just, you know, connect it together old school way. Nope, obviously we need to move this up by maybe 1.5. Is that what we put the last one at? So yeah, but let's make it a gable end. So we're going to remove this one, remove define slope, and click OK. No. Oh, okay, let's make the back a gable end too. You're probably wondering what's wrong with her. Nothing. No, because I'm the boss of you. You don't tell me what to do. So we go to modify, we click join, and here's the thing, or rather let's click this first. Let's increase the height of this one because it seems like the height of yeah, let's turn this to like 45 so that they can come together as one. Yeah, that's better. That's looking good. It's looking good. You know, you're just going to highlight this one, attached up to base, bada boom, boom. Good. And then we're going to come over here, right? So we could click join, it will work, or we could click join roof. So then we're going to try and select this inner face. I don't know how they did it. Yeah, just do that, you know, and it's looking like kind of sexy, except for this embarrassing bit right here. So what we gonna do with that? First of all, obviously we're going to highlight the walls by pressing tab, right? And then we're going to decrease the base offset by 2000. Oh, that's too much, so maybe minus some 800, close, minus 800, apply. Yeah, and I think that looks fabulous to me. So yeah, we could do that, and we could just do the cheat code and just copy and paste it. Oh my god. Yes, and then we could just mirror it to the other side. Oh my god, yes. And then we'll just copy it. Copy. Oh yeah, we could just constrain it so that we could, yeah. Somebody give me honey and spice. Yeah. And that is how you add a dormer to your roof. If you like this tutorial, I sincerely don't know why you haven't liked the video yet. It's like you don't just like me, or you don't wish me well. La la of